Truckerized. That's right. Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with this Truckerized tune-up report for Charles in Michigan. It's RCI-2995DXHP. Charles, it's ready to go for you, bud. Clarifier mod, high cut filter, amp on off switch, audio mods, power mods, supply mods, mods, and more mods. So let's start this thing turned all the way down. 250 watt scale. There's 5 watts all the way down. And we are running the Static 636 carbon fiber edition noise canceling mic that you will get with this radio. 60 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. 135 watts bird average. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, good day. Audio. We'll call it 625. Good day. She's a hot one. All right, Charles, we're gonna get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. Remember, you got Wise and you got Truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.